Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. And battery removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the USB board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Lift the USB board bracket off of the USB board and remove. Lift the USB board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove.
Replacement. Place the USB board into position in the top cover. Place the USB board bracket into position over the USB board. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.